Construction debris recycling is an essential yet often overlooked aspect of the construction industry. Every year, millions of tons of waste are generated from construction and demolition activities. This waste can include concrete, wood, metals, glass, and even hazardous materials. The staggering reality is that a significant portion of this debris ends up in landfills, contributing to environmental degradation and wasting valuable resources. Let's break down why recycling construction debris is so crucial. First, it conserves natural resources. For instance, recycling concrete can reduce the need for new raw materials, which means less mining and extraction. This not only protects our ecosystems, but also reduces energy consumption associated with producing new materials. Imagine the energy saved when we repurpose existing materials instead of starting from scratch. Next, recycling construction debris can significantly lower greenhouse gas emissions. When waste decomposes in landfills, it produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas. By recycling, we can divert this waste from landfills, reducing our carbon footprint. It's a simple yet effective way to combat climate change. Now, let's talk about the economic benefits. Recycling construction debris can save money. Many construction companies are finding that it's more cost-effective to recycle materials than to dispose of them. By reusing materials, they can cut down on disposal fees and even reduce the costs of purchasing new materials. Plus, it creates jobs in the recycling sector, contributing to the economy. You might wonder how the recycling process works. It starts with sorting the debris at the construction site. Materials are separated into different categories: concrete, wood, metals, and so on. This initial step is crucial because it ensures that the materials can be processed effectively. Once sorted, these materials are taken to recycling facilities where they are cleaned, processed, and prepared for reuse. For example, concrete can be crushed and used as aggregate in new concrete or as a base material for roads. Wood can be repurposed into new products or even turned into mulch. Metals are melted down and reformed into new products. The possibilities are endless. It's fascinating to think about how a pile of debris can be transformed into something useful again. However, challenges remain. Not all materials are recyclable, and some require special handling. Hazardous materials, like asbestos or lead paint, need to be disposed of safely to protect workers and the environment. This is where education and proper training come into play. Construction workers and contractors need to be informed about what can and cannot be recycled and how to handle materials safely. In recent years, we've seen a growing trend towards sustainable construction practices. More builders are incorporating recycling into their projects, and some cities even have mandates requiring recycling of construction debris. This shift is encouraging, but there's still a long way to go. The more we talk about and promote recycling in construction, the more we can change industry standards and practices. Ultimately, recycling construction debris is not just a trend, it's a necessity for a sustainable future. By embracing recycling, we can reduce waste, conserve resources, and create a healthier planet for future generations. So, the next time you see a construction site, think about the potential hidden in that debris. It's not just waste, it's an opportunity waiting to be recycled.